Changing the language in the Chime app is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to adjust the language settings according to your preference. Step 1. Open the Chime app. Launch the Chime app on your device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Access settings. Look for the settings icon, usually represented by a gear or 3 dots, located in the app's main menu. Tap on it to enter the settings menu. Step 3. Find language options. Scroll through the settings menu until you find the option labeled language or language settings. Select this option to view available languages. Step 4. Select your preferred language. Browse through the list of languages and tap on the one you wish to use. The app may prompt you to confirm your selection. Step 5. Restart the app. After selecting your preferred language, close the app completely and reopen it. This will ensure that the language change takes effect throughout the app. By following these steps, you can easily change the language in the Chime app to suit your needs. Enjoy using the app in your preferred language.